Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal: remove the 6 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Tilt up the front edge of the battery and slide it out of its connector on the system board. Remove the battery. Replacement: place the battery into position on the top cover. Press down on the rear of the battery to reconnect it to its connector on the system board. Replace the 6 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover.